Good morning, gang. It is Monday, June 1st. How wild is that? It is your final Monday of your final middle school year. Cherish it, relish it, enjoy it. Get outside, soak up the sun, and have a little fun. Anyway, here we go. Your country of the day in the intro today is Morocco, which is located, as you can see, in northern Africa, northwestern Africa. Coincidentally, the name Morocco, it comes from an Arabic phrase which basically means kingdom in the west, or is far west or farthest west. They also, in Morocco, they have a spice. They grow a flower. It's called, I can't think of the name of the flower, but the little stems inside the flower produce saffron. What is saffron, you might ask? Well, saffron is the world's most expensive spice. So there you go. Check it out next time you're at the grocery store if you can find some. It's not in most grocery stores because it's super expensive. Also, you can go skiing in the Atlas Mountains in Morocco, so that's kind of neat. Not year-round, I don't believe, but there are various times in the year when you could go to Morocco and go skiing. Morocco was also one of the first countries in the world to officially recognize the United States as an independent nation way back when, 1789. Also kind of wild. And then let's see here, what else about Morocco? Oh, it's one of only three continuous kingdoms within Africa. The other two being Lesotho, which we talked about, and then Eswatini, formerly known as Swaziland. Anyway, enough about Morocco for today. On to kind of what you need to do today. Today's kind of wrapping up your superhero project. There's a couple of things you need to write, and then you're going to do a whole lot of Control-C, Control-V, or edit, copy, edit, paste. So let me get to it and explain what you need to do. Basically, you're going to write a little bit about your superhero, kind of like what is their origin story? How did they get their superpowers? How did they come to be this superhero? What is their background, right? Like every superhero has some sort of origin story, some sort of background story that is about how they got their powers and how they got like their passion for fighting crime, or in this case, their passion for fighting for the sustainable development goals. So what is your superhero's origin story? And then also, how are they going to fight, crime, so to speak, or how are they going to fight for the sustainable development goal? What are they going to do? Don't just simply say, don't be, kind of lame here and be like, well, one of the superpowers is they're super wealthy, and so they're just going to give everyone money and then boom, no poverty. That's not quite going to cut it, okay? You're going to have to go a little bit deeper with that. Have some fun with that in terms of how they're getting their superpowers and what it is that they are doing to basically help their country. So a little bit of a creative writing exercise. That's the first step for today. Well, just one minute. First step for today. The second step, you'll notice the final two slides in your superhero set of slides, it says like superhero profile, and there's a lot of stuff that you need to fill in, like your superhero's name, your name on both of those slides. Essentially what you're doing is you're just kind of copying and pasting info from your previous slides down into these profile slides. So you've done all the heavy lifting, you've done all the hard work, and you're just going to copy and paste, their superpowers, their name, their origin story, all of that, plus any fun facts that you think that you know about them. You're just going to copy and paste all of that, the image, that is the digital or the drawing, what they look like. You're copying and pasting all of that into the final two slides. That is your profile slide. So you need to do that first. Then the second thing you are going to do, you're going to copy and paste those two profile slides into our class set of superhero slides, because we're going to see all the super work you did on your superheroes, and I'm not going to apologize for that pun. But yeah, so you're going to copy and paste everything into your profile slides, and then copy and paste those two slides into our class set of profile pages. Now, one thing I need to warn you about. Your slides, it says click the link below, like to second hour to third hour. I forgot to put a link in there. So in order to find the class set of slides, it's in two places. It's in today's assignment post. It's also in the main post in the Dropbox for the superhero project. So you're just going to go and find the link that takes you out to the slides for second hour, third hour, whatever it is. And that is where you are going to copy and paste your profile slides. So you're going to do a little copying and pasting within your slides, where you're creating your profile page, and then you're going to copy and paste those two profile slides from your set into our class set. And again, make sure that you find the link either in today's assignment post or in the superhero Dropbox assignment post. You're just going to click it and you copy and paste. Again, Control-C on the keyboard to copy the slides, or edit, copy. And if you actually want to copy multiple slides at once, just click on one, and then hold down your Control key and then click on the second one, and you'll notice it highlights both of them. Then you can use, the old 2-finger on the trackpad to right-click and select copy, or you can hit Control-C on the keyboard. Anyway, you all know how to copy and paste by now. I'm rambling about copying and pasting, and I don't know why I am. So, origin story and how they're going to fight for the Sustainable Development Goal. That's the first part. Second part, you're just going to copy and paste. So today should be a fairly light day, assuming that you've kept up with everything on the first 3 days. Tomorrow, we're going to wrap all this up, and we're going to wrap up the week. We're going to take our foot off the gas just a little bit starting tomorrow. So you've been doing a great job so far. I hope you are doing well. I miss you all. Let me know if there's anything I can do, if there's anything you got on your mind, whatever the case may be. Remember, though, be bold, be kind, and make good choices. See ya.